What's going on, guys? It's your boy Geneva9 back at you again today. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. On today's video, we're gonna be talking about booty bumpers. That's right. So once again, guys, thank you for tuning in once again. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below so you can always be in tune on what's going on with my Evo build and also future projects to come, especially now that we have the new turbo. I'm still trying to get some more parts to come in so that we can get and dig into that. Probably we're gonna get to that to the next video after this one. But on today's video, I wanted to document all these bumpers right here. Yep, that's right. I have 10 JDM bumpers just waiting to be snatched up and picked up by you guys. But unfortunately, only a few are left because they're going hot and they're going fast like hotcakes. I think I only have about 5 bumpers left. So if you haven't gotten your JDM bumper yet, hit me up, DM me on my Instagram or message me here. They are original, authentic Mitsubishi OEM JDM bumpers. So I couldn't get as much as I can right now due to the COVID and due to the shipping restrictions. But you know your boy, I always come through and I try to get them. Even if they're not on time, I still try to get them and they will be here. And that includes taillights and headlights, guys. So if you ever need any parts from me, hit me up on my Instagram and make sure you let me know what you need and I can try to get that for you. So let's take a walk right here. Yes, they are the JDM bumpers. You know they are JDM bumpers is because they have these little fins right there. So if you're new to the Evo game and you want to know more about the JDM bumper, this video is right for you. I'm doing this due to documentation purposes because I mean, when will I ever have these much bumpers ever again? And I want to document it. And at one point in time in my Evo life, I actually have these much bumpers in my garage. But anyways, if you're looking for JDM bumpers, you're always trying to make sure that you don't end up with a replica or some imitation bumper. Now let me break that for you. To make sure that you have the original JDM bumper, you're always trying to look inside the bumper itself and you want to look at these serial numbers right here. So it has to have, at least says Evo 9 rear bumper, and it has these little markings right there signifying that this is actually the legit bumper itself. And it comes with all these, I don't know what these are, these probably inspection dates or whatnot, but it has all that. It has this bracket right here. This is for the support for the tow hook cover. Another thing that you want to look for is the cutouts for the license plate. Notice how this cutout is kind of like, it's not even square. Now I'll show you an example of a replica right here. If you're looking for this, for the part number, 6410A378 from Mitsubishi. Another difference with the JDM bumper is it does not have the side markers like the USDM version have. As you can tell, this right here, no side markers. Like on my Evo, nothing. That's right. Here's another thing. A lot of people mistaken the bottom portion color is black. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, it is Easton gray that bottom portion is colored as. So if you look right here, there's a little line on the bumper and that's where the two colors detach. The bottom part is the Easton gray. The top part is whatever color your car is or whatever color your heart's desire. Now I even made it easier for you so you can color match it perfectly. What I have here is the tow hook cover that actually comes painted from the factory itself, and I believe it has that gray tone to it, so you can use it to color match the whole bottom portion of this bumper. So let's check this out. So what I have here is the 64158-011HA. So this is the original tow hook cover. Yes, here it is. It comes painted already. And it's not black, it's Easton gray. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that is what it is. So you can use this and tell your painter to actually use this to color match the bottom portion but it goes on the bottom of the bumper. So if you take your bumper right here, right there to cover the tow hook, henceforth the name tow hook cover. Just like that. And I believe there's some plastic clips that you can that matches up right here on the bottom, and then that attaches it and supports it even more right there. For me, I don't use the tow hook cover because I have the F1 brake light right there attached, which is I customized it to fit. This got in the way, so I don't use this. If you need a JDM bumper, make sure you tell me if you need one of the tow hook covers so that I can add that with your order. Okay guys? So unfortunately, my bumpers doesn't come with the bumper reinforcements. What you can do is you can take the reinforcement brackets from your old USDM bumper or whatever old bumper you were using. That's what I did on mine. You don't necessarily need to buy brand new brackets unless they're rusted or corroded or they're just bent. But you can use your old one and transfer it over to this bumper right here. So you will need to buy rivets. So you will use your old support brackets, your old license plate bracket, and all that stuff. So and transfer it to this new JDM bumper. If you haven't tuned into my other video, that this bumper won't fit if you have your stock rear crash beam on. So I have my boy Boosted Fabs. I'll leave his Instagram right here. Check out his website. So he does offer the rear crash beam. I made a video on that. I'll leave it right here. You can go check that out, how to install that. Easy plug and play install. And that conforms to the JDM bumper, because if you use your OEM, it just sticks out too much by about an inch, and this will not fit. So you will need to use that rear crash bumper by Boosted Fab. So hit him up, tell him I sent you. He'll be happy to help you out. That's pretty much this whole video, guys. And again, this video was to mostly quick education purposes for the new Evo guys out there who wants to change out their bumpers. And again, these are highly sought out because if you look at the USDMs that came stock with the Evos, they still look okay, but they don't look as great, in my opinion, as the JDM versions, because it does have these fins on the bottom, like how you have these fins at the top of your car, this vortex generator, and it just gives it that aggressive look, and I believe it completes the look of the Evo. Unfortunately, us in the US, we got the USDM versions has the bigger booty looking bumper. This one's look a lot more sleek and definitely looks a lot more aggressive. Let me know in the comment section below what other countries got the USDM types. I believe we're the only one who got that version, but correct me if I'm wrong. Again, leave in the section comments below what you guys think of the JDM bumpers. Hit me up on my Instagram if you need a JDM bumper. Again, I only have probably 5 spots left, so hit me up fast because these will go very fast, and I offer them in a really good price. And another thing, if you're overseas, fret not, I can ship the front bumper and the rear bumper anytime. So you let me know and I can ship it to you. I can get it to you within less than 2 weeks with the good, if nothing goes wrong. A lot of people are asking what material this is. This is the ABS plastic straight from the Mitsubishi factory. It's original, it's OEM, so you won't be deceived or anything like that. It is the authentic, genuine Mitsubishi, and like what I showed you, all the serial numbers and the part number as well. And I don't know if they are primed. I don't know if you can see this as prime, but I don't know, they look bare skin to me, so I don't believe they are primed. I hope the new Evo guys that are new to the Evo game found this video somewhat helpful. Okay, again guys, thank you for tuning in once again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button down below and make sure you press that subscribe button down below. So again, you can always be in tune on what's going on with my build. Stay tuned because oh snap! Stay tuned because it's going to be a very nice video that I'll be making on how I install the new goodies for my engine. Alright guys, thank you once again. You guys be safe, stay healthy. I'll see you on to the next video. Very, very, very important. I almost forgot. So you're asking, how do I ship this within the US? So the only way I ship big items like this is through Greyhound shipping. So if you have a Greyhound station near you, that's where I'll ship it to, because it's very cost effective and it's a lot cheaper than spending a lot through UPS or FedEx. Actually, just let me know your zip code and I'll try to find which Greyhound station is the nearest pickup for these. You might have to drive a little bit, but that's the only way I ship, guys. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, but Greyhound shipping is the only way to go for me. They do handle it with care. I haven't had any issues with Greyhound breaking the items that I've sent. I've sent an Evo wing before through Greyhound and they did a very good job on handling it. Okay guys, so that's that.